Africa is a vast and ancient continent. It is a place teeming with incredible wildlife. So many different kinds of animals make their home here. This wonderful variety of life is called biodiversity. Africa's biodiversity is truly remarkable, a global treasure. Countless creatures, both large and incredibly small, live together. They inhabit the diverse landscapes from mountains to plains. It is a vibrant tapestry of life, a spectacle of nature. Its richness is almost beyond compare, a true wonder of our world. Why is Africa so exceptionally special for its animal inhabitants? The continent offers a multitude of different places for them to live. There are vast, open, grassy plains known as savannas. These stretch for miles under the African sun. There are also extremely hot, arid deserts where only the hardiest survive. And of course, there are dense, humid rainforests alive with sound. Each unique environment supports its own special kinds of animals. These creatures have adapted perfectly over millennia to thrive in their particular homes. It is a stunning mosaic of life. The sun shines with great power over these diverse lands. This sunlight provides essential energy for the plants to grow. These plants in turn become food for a vast array of animals. Tiny insects, towering giraffes and colossal elephants all depend on plants. Then, other animals, the predators, hunt these plant eaters. This intricate relationship creates a great circle of life, a natural system. It is a delicate balance, finely tuned and easily disturbed. Every creature has its part to play in this grand design. Exploring the wildlife of Africa is like stepping into another world. It's a world filled with the mighty roars of lions. You can hear the powerful trumpeting of elephants. You might see the silent, graceful movements of a leopard. This world is overflowing with breathtaking beauty and raw, natural power. We can learn an immense amount from observing these animals. We must always remember to respect their natural homes. So let us begin our journey to meet some of these magnificent creatures. Their fascinating stories are waiting to be told to us. Let us first turn our attention to the lion. The lion is very often called the king of the jungle. However, lions predominantly live on the wide, open, grassy plains. These expansive plains are the African savannas. Lions are magnificent, powerful cats, symbols of strength. They possess a deep, resonant roar. This incredible sound can travel for many miles across the plains. It is a sound that truly commands respect from all who hear it. Few animals can ignore the call of the lion. Lions live in social groups which are called prides. A typical pride consists of several related lionesses and their young cubs. There are usually one or two adult male lions, sometimes more. It is the lionesses who undertake most of the hunting duties. They work together with remarkable coordination to catch their prey. Their targets are often animals like zebras and wildebeest. Hunting is truly a cooperative team effort for them. The male lions primarily protect the pride and their territory from rivals. Now let us observe the magnificent African elephant. African elephants are the largest land animals on our planet Earth. They are truly awe-inspiring and gentle creatures despite their size. They are easily recognized by their long, versatile trunks. They also have very large ears which help them cool down. And of course their impressive tusks, made of ivory. Elephants use their trunks for a multitude of tasks. They use them to breathe, to smell the air, to drink water, and to grasp food. Elephants live in close-knit family groups. These groups are usually led by an older, experienced female. She is known as the matriarch, the wise leader. Elephants are highly intelligent and deeply social animals. They display very strong family bonds and communicate in complex ways. They consume a very large amount of plant matter every single day. This eating habit helps to shape the landscape around them. They disperse seeds in their dung and create pathways for smaller animals. They are in essence vital engineers of their ecosystem. Look up towards the treetops. There you might see the giraffe. Giraffes are famous for being the tallest mammals in the entire world. They possess remarkably long necks and equally long, slender legs. This extraordinary height provides them with a distinct advantage. It helps them to reach the highest, most tender leaves on tall trees. These leaves are their preferred source of food. Acacia trees are a particular favorite for their nutritious foliage. No other large herbivore can easily reach these lofty leaves. Giraffes have beautiful and distinctive coats covered in irregular patches. Each individual giraffe has its own unique pattern of these spots. This pattern is much like a fingerprint is for humans. No two are identical. They primarily inhabit the savannas and open woodland areas of Africa. Giraffes are generally peaceful and gentle animals. They usually move with a slow, deliberate and graceful gait. However, they are capable of running very fast if they sense danger. Their long legs can cover a great deal of ground very quickly. Africa is also home to a splendid array of other fascinating animals. Think for a moment of the incredibly speedy cheetah. It is the fastest land animal on Earth, a blur of motion. Or consider the striking zebra with its iconic black and white striped coat. Large hippopotamuses spend most of their daylight hours submerged in water. This helps them to stay cool under the hot African sun. Rhinoceroses, with their thick protective skin and prominent horns, roam the grasslands. Each one of these animals plays an integral part in this complex web of life. These diverse animals have developed unique and clever ways to survive. Some, like wildebeest and zebra, live in large herds for safety in numbers. Others, such as the solitary leopard, prefer to live and hunt alone. Some creatures are most active during the bright hours of the day. Others, the nocturnal animals, emerge under the cover of darkness. Their behaviors and physical traits are perfectly suited to their specific environments. Africa's wildlife showcases an amazing and wonderful variety of life strategies. It is a constant evolving display of adaptation. Sadly, Africa's wonderful and diverse animals face many serious dangers today. One of the biggest problems is that their natural homes are shrinking. Human populations are growing, leading to more farms and cities. This expansion means there is less space left for wildlife. Animals need room to roam, to find food, and to raise their young. This continuous loss of habitat is a very grave problem for their survival. It pushes animals into smaller and more isolated areas. This makes their long-term existence much harder. Another significant and terrible threat is poaching. Poaching is the illegal hunting or capturing of wild animals. Some poachers hunt elephants for their valuable ivory tusks. They also cruelly hunt rhinos for their horns, which are prized in some cultures. This is not only illegal, but also incredibly cruel and wasteful. Many animal species are becoming critically endangered because of relentless poaching. We are losing these magnificent creatures at an alarming and unsustainable rate. Their populations are decreasing rapidly in many parts of the continent. It is absolutely vital that we work to protect these precious animals. Conservation is the practice of saving wildlife and their natural habitats. Many dedicated people and organizations are working tirelessly to help. They establish and manage national parks and wildlife reserves. These areas provide safe havens for animals to live and breed. They also work hard to combat poaching through anti-poaching patrols and law enforcement. Education about the value of wildlife also plays a crucial role in these efforts. Every single one of us can contribute to protecting Africa's wildlife. We can start by learning more about these animals and their challenges. We can choose to support reputable conservation organizations. These groups often rely on donations to fund their important work. We can make responsible choices as consumers. We can ensure the products we buy do not harm wildlife or their environments. We can also speak to others about why these animals are so important. If we all work together, we can help ensure these majestic creatures are safe for future generations. Their survival truly depends on our actions today.